Okay, I was gonna jump straight to it. Okay, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make profits. Like you're never gonna lose a trade in the future after watching this video. You can do short. I do short term now with this strategy, and you can use it for long term as well. But it's like way more profitable, obviously, like short term, right? So let's take for example. So the two websites you need open are cryptocurrency, CoinMarketCap. Okay, and the other one is gonna be TradingView. Okay, the other one's gonna be TradingView right here. So these two are the two you want. So let's take for example, choose. You need to choose one that's losing money. So let's take for example, probably Poet is losing. Fucking yeah. Let's take Poet for example. Okay, so you go on TradingView here. You search for Poet, probably in crypto. Poe, yeah. You put the three-letter thingy in the thing here. So what I do is I click interactive chart, okay, and the only measurements you need, the only indicators you need, not right now. Only indicators you need are, you click indicators up here. You need two average exponential. Okay, so you need two of these. Okay, you need two of these right here. You put one of them at 13. 13, the other one at 34. Nah. So, and this is let's make this red. Red usually shows bad, right? And blue is good, red is bad. Okay, so the way you read this chart, is usually, it depends. If you want to make it short trade, make it every 10 minutes. If you want to make it long, you can choose down here the duration you want. I usually make like 10-minute differences. Okay. So as you can see here, like whenever the red is above the blue. I know this is gonna sound very simple and very dumb, but it's a simple way to make profits short term. Okay, it's very dumb, but it works. Trust me. Take this one tip from me. If we never meet again, this tip is gonna change your trading life forever. Okay, I got this idea from King Crypto, and I've been doing it ever since. It's really good. Okay, so all you have to do is buy whenever you see the red is above the blue, and sell whenever the blue is above the red. I know it sounds dumb, okay, but so as you can see here, and I know it sounds very simple, but it's you just buy whenever you see the blue is below the red. Let's move more. Yeah. So for example, you can buy. Like, let's see if we're gonna make a purchase here. Right here, we're never gonna make a purchase, okay? Because the blue is way above the red. And it eventually it always drops. So we wait for a drop. We wait for the drop to be similar to this. Okay, then we buy here and we sell here. Okay, I know it's a very simple tactic, but I use it like daily and I make insane margins. Always take into account the transaction fees on whatever thing you're using. If you're using Binance, it's like 0.05 or whatever. I mean, transaction fees are very low usually, but this is like very good to make insane profits every day. So just follow this method. Again, 13, 34. Let me show this. To take a screenshot of this, I made like a summary if you want to like look at it. Okay, so these are the two websites looking for coins that are dropping, obviously, because you want to buy now, right? TradingView's indicator, choose this one up here. Moving exponential twice. 13, 34. 13 positive color, it's the blue, and 34 is the negative. Okay, and that's how you make money short term. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to learn how to make more money in crypto. And yeah, see you fucking somewhere. I don't know. Enjoy your money making method, and yeah, just peace.